Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will solve this equation under root x plus under root minus x equal to 2 and we will find value of x. So in the first very step, we will transpose under root x to right hand side. So it will become under root minus x equal to 2 minus under root x. We will squaring both sides. So this will become under root minus x square, and here it will become 2 minus under root x whole square. Under root and square will cancel out, and it will become minus x equal to, this is a formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write a square, that is 2 square, plus b square, that is under root x square, minus 2ab, that is 2, a is 2, b is under root x. So minus x equal to 2 square 4 plus, this will cancel out root and square, so x minus 2 2's are 4 under root x. Now we will transpose under root x minus 4 under root x to left hand side and minus x to right hand side. So 4 under root x, this was negative, so this is positive when we will transpose it to here, and 4 plus x, this minus x will become plus x. So 4 under root x is equal to 4, x plus x is plus 2x. So we'll take 2 common, this will become 2 under root x, here it will become 2 plus x. And now we'll again squaring both sides. So 2 under root x square plus equal to 2 plus x whole square. So this is 2 square, that is 4, and under root x and square, this root and square will cancel out, this will become x, and this again an identity or formula, 2 plus x square, that is a plus b whole square. So we can write as a square, that is 2 square, plus b square, that is x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x. So this is 4x equal to 2 square, that is 4 plus x square plus 2 2's are 4, that is 4x. Now this 4x will cancel out, here remains 4 plus x square equal to 0, or we can write x square is equal to minus 4. Now we'll put root both sides, it will become under root minus x, and here it will become root minus 4. Here this root and square will cancel out, so x is equal to under root, this is under root minus 1 into 4, x is equal to 1 into 4. So now we can write this minus under root minus 1 into under root 4. Reason is because under root a into b is equal to under root a into under root b. So x is become under root minus 1 is iota, under root 4 is 2. Also we can write plus minus iota 2. So x is equal to plus iota 2 or minus iota 2. So these are the values of x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.